In this video, I'll guide you through how to organize Microsoft Loop so your workspace feels clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you're just getting started with Loop or your workspace has become a bit cluttered over time, we'll walk through some simple ways to get everything in order. Let's start by opening your workspace. Go ahead and sign into Microsoft Loop and choose the workspace you want to organize. Think of a workspace as the home base for a specific project, team, or focus area. Once you're inside, take a moment to scroll through what you already have. Notice the different pages and components and get a feel for what's working and what feels a bit messy or hard to find. This quick scan will help you decide what needs to be moved, grouped, or renamed as we go. Next, we're going to use dragging to quickly reorder pages and components. Find a page or component that you want to move, click and hold on it, and then drag it up or down in the list to a new position. Release it when it's in the right spot. This is especially helpful for putting your most important or frequently used items near the top and pushing older or reference content a bit lower. As you rearrange, try to group related content together, like placing planning pages side by side or keeping status updates close to meeting notes. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. You can always drag things around again later as your project evolves. Now, to make your organization more intentional, start using folders or sections to categorize your content. Look for the option to create a new folder or section within your workspace. When you create one, give it a clear, simple name that reflects what will go inside, such as meetings, planning, resources, or archive. Once the folder or section is created, drag existing pages or components into it, just like you did when reordering. This not only cleans up the main view, but also creates a logical structure that makes it easier for you and your teammates to know where to put new content in the future. As you build out these folders or sections, think about how you naturally look for information. If you usually search by type of work, group by categories like tasks, notes, and decisions. If you think in terms of projects or phases, you might create sections for each initiative or stage. The goal is to create a structure that feels obvious to you and anyone else using the workspace. Finally, take some time to rename items for clarity. Click on the title of a page, component, folder, or section, and edit the name so it clearly describes what's inside. Instead of vague names like notes or draft, try something more specific like Sprint 3 planning notes or client proposal draft. Clear names make it much easier to scan your workspace and immediately understand what each item is for without having to open it first. As you rename, aim for consistency. You might use dates in a similar format or start related pages with the same prefix so they naturally group together when sorted. This small step can make a big difference when your workspace grows over time. And that's it. By opening your workspace, dragging items to reorder them, using folders or sections to categorize content, and renaming everything for clarity, you'll turn Microsoft Loop into a well-organized hub that supports your work instead of slowing you down.